Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adelia Divani and I'm from CBI4. And here I want to explain about the issue, and the title is self-harm and suicidal tendencies among university students. The issue of suicide in Indonesia has been very worrying lately. Suicide rise cases by the media are very often reported, and the majority of those reported are suicides among students. For example, of the suicide of a freshman at Muhammadiyah University of Yogyakarta students who jumped from the fourth floor at dormitory building, who jumped from Paragon Semarang Mall. There was also an unnamed student who was found dead in a car due to inhalation of poisonous gas. What happened to Indonesian students that many decided to commit suicide? There were 971 suicides that occurred in Indonesia from January to October 2023. This is certainly a concern for all of us, because this incident is proof that Indonesian people are still not very aware of mental health condition. Suicide is the fourth range age. Suicide is the fourth cause of death among young people. This is proof that students who are mostly in that age range have possible mental health condition. This is a period of adjustment to new pattern of life and new social expectation from adolescence to adulthood. Risk factors for suicide in college students are factors that cause stress, such as feeling left behind by others, poor communication with parents, and academic stress, causing a high risk of suicidal behavior. In addition, there are factors that influence students to commit suicide, namely feelings of depression, hopelessness, conflict with family, breakup, lack of social support, financial problems, and academic stress. And academic stress problem contribute to the tendency to commit suicide. Lack of social support, financial problems, and academic stress problems. The tendency of students outside is influenced by depression, especially for students who do. The tendency of student suicide is influenced by depression, especially for students who do self-harm to themselves. Therefore, support from family, friends, or perhaps a partner is needed by students so that they don't feel alone and do not feel isolated, especially for those who decide to migrate. Academic life that is different from the previous level makes students have to adapt to a fairly heavy academic load. For example, science high school students only learn through textbooks, which are basic things and can be explained in general. However, in college, everything becomes specific and the science is clearly higher. This is make a stress for student, thus suggests a large academic load makes student press to stress. Thus, such a large academic load makes student prone to stress. Actually, stress can have problems. Actually, stress can make the positive impact if it is overcome with the right stress coping. If the stress is overcome by the wrong way of coping stress, then it will be very dangerous. It can very it can cause a person to experience despair, anxiety, depression, and even have the desire to end life. Okay, I think enough for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.